Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Employee Employment Hero account. So let's get started. So to log into your Employee Employment Hero account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up your browser in search bar, you can search for Employee Login Employment Hero. And after searching for that option, you will come up to this page where you can tap on this first option which says Employment Hero Login. And now in order to log into your account, what you can do is just simply enter your email address and then tap on next. So if you don't have an account, what you can do is just tap on no employee account and join an existing organization. So just tap on join an existing organization. And now in order to create your account, what you have to do is just check your emails, and in your emails search for Employee Hero in your personal or work emails to find the invite email. And then contact your admin. Reach out to your HR manager or other admin to get another invite to join. So by following steps you can create an account. But if you already have an account, what you can do is just enter your email address and then tap on next. And after tapping on next, now you should enter your password. And after entering your password, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just simply tap on forgot password, and by tapping on forgot password you can easily reset or recode your password by creating a new one. So just create a new password and then come back to this login page and just enter the password that you have created, then tap on login. And after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your Employment Hero account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Employee Employment Hero account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.